All right. Hi, everyone. We are backpacking in Yosemite in mid-July, and I have this lovely group of people here. Day 3 of our 4-day backpacking trip, and right now we're sitting at 9,000 feet next to Buena Vista Crest by the lake here. Really pretty place. Unfortunately, there are things that bug us. Mosquitoes are in full bloom right now, in addition to the wildflowers. So we're carrying all kinds of equipment to help us both prevent mosquito bites and also get rid of some other bugs. So the other bug that actually worries me more is actually ticks, because ticks actually carry tick-borne diseases like Lyme, and Lyme disease is a very scary disease to catch, and it's not very treatable, and it can lead to death. And so those are the two insects, mosquitoes and ticks, that I worry most about when I'm backpacking in the Sierra. What I do to prevent mosquitoes and ticks is actually a 4-part method that we find to be quite effective. First, before you leave for the trip, treat your base layer and your clothing with permethrin, which is an insecticide that is meant for equipment and clothing application and not direct skin contact. So what I do is I treat my base layer, my pants, my sun gloves, which actually is quite effective, and then also my cap, my sun cape that goes behind my cap, and you can treat your bandana if you want, unless you're using your bandana to filter water. Your socks, what I do is I treat just the cuffs a little bit because they do bite through. Sometimes they see a little skin surface on the ankles. So those are the pieces of clothing that I treat with permethrin. So that's step one. Step 2, carry DEET or picaridin with you. Those are both mosquito repellents and also tick repellents that are very effective in the wilderness. They are both repellents that are applied directly on skin, so that's not for clothing use. So any exposed skin surfaces, you would apply either DEET or picaridin on. Because they are chemicals, please follow the instructions that come with the products. Third, when you can, wear long sleeve clothing and cover yourself. And carrying an additional head net can actually quite help you prevent mosquitoes from getting in. And if you have a long bill cap, it also gets the mosquito netting away from your face. So that can sometimes be quite effective. And fourth, and perhaps most importantly, is always check yourself for ticks during the trip as well as after the trip. I will post a link in the article to the CDC website on how to properly look for and remove ticks. And so those are the 4 things that I do that have been very effective when it comes to preventing bugs in the wilderness.